Welcome back again in Mindhunter channel. Are you really worried about the phone locking? So in today's video I'm going to show you how to unlock phone with a very simple trick. So get ready as I'm going to tell you, just unlock your phone in a few minutes and you can unlock pin pattern, finger face lock, any type of Android phone. This video will prove to be very effective for you. So before going to start this unlocking process, I want to share one thing with you. If your phone is not unlocked this process, so please tell us in the comment section which handset is yours and which model is it is. So because the code which I am going to share for unlocking process may support in many handset and may not support in many handsets. So let's focus on the process and unlock our phone. So before going to start this process, first make sure your handset must be in flight mode and your battery percentage above the 40%, because this method is called offline method, which is used in service center also. So before starting this process, do one thing. Now you can able to see this phone is locked through the pin pattern, pin lock. So I am going to tell you, and you can see below the bottom on the screen emergency calls option is there, so click on it. And I'm going to share you some secret code which is used in service center, and this code is valid for September 2023, and this code is 257354 a star 99 and hash. Now I am going to tell you how to uh, start the next process. Before starting the process, if you want to take a screenshot, please take a screenshot. Again, I request you, if you want to take note down, please note down. This is applicable for all the Android viewers. So now press the call button, and minimum you have to press 3 times, and after that you have to erase this number and apply this method star hash 899 and hash. And now as you can see, engineer mode page is activated now after pressing the hash. So a star hash 899 and hash, without this code we are not going to enter the software in your handset, in any handset. So this is very important code. You can note down and you can set in your mind also. So first have to check what your Android version is. So have to press software version, and now as you can see Android version, and you can see Android version is 12. You have to press 12 times. If your Android version is 654, please press the same number on your second row. So come back from this option and again press the manual test. And now as you can see, there are so many options is coming. So first you have to press proximity sensor test, and there are 3 options is coming. So now have to press on this middle options, proximity caption, and confirm that. After that, you have to check M sensor test. So now you can see text successful. And after that, you have to press sensor self test calibration and confirm here, and press both the option at the same time without any delay. Have to press till past option, because the both the option gyroscope and accelerometer, both option is operation not started. So have to start here. At least one have to pass. So now finally gyroscope text is passed. So we are going to start taking next step, and after that this is the last and main option. After swiping the, now you can see others option is coming. So earlier you can see an Android version, what our Android version is 12. So I am pressing in the same here, because my Android version is 12. So I am pressing the same here 12 times without any delay, and press the important lock test and check here and confirm. You can see wrong password is coming, and now you can check through the reading reset complete indicator through. So now you can see your option is passed, and after completing the whole the process that our phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise, let's press the home button and see whether our phone is unlocked or not. So press the home button, friend. As you can see, our phone is unlocked without help of any computers, without loss of any data or application. So I hope you guys you subscribe our channel. You like this, you like our video. Please subscribe and share.